Hello, let's have a go now at a second nominal by nominal correlational analysis. Is there an association between snoring and smoking? Well, let's have a look. We'll start by getting univariate descriptive statistics for B2, do you snore, and B3, how many cigarettes per day do you smoke. Run those frequencies and let's have a look at the graphs. 1/3 of people snore, 2/3 don't, and 85% of people don't smoke any cigarettes, 15% smoke some. Let's recode this into dichotomous data, non-smokers and smokers. Transform, recode into different variables, put in our old variable and put in a new variable. I'll call mine B3R2 and call it smoking. Old and new values. What I've done here is use the range and said 0.05 through to the highest becomes 1, and then I've done all other values, copy old values, and added those two rules in. Paste that and then run those commands. Go and check your data. There's B3R2, and I'm going to add value labels: 0 non-smoker, 1 smoker. Now I can do my crosstabs, descriptive stats, descriptive stats, crosstabs, and I've put in here do you snore, and I'm going to put in my recoded variable. Paste, run. I'm also going to get a clustered bar graph through the graphs menu because I get more control over the graph. And it doesn't matter which one you put in the category axis, but you might want to try both combinations to work out which one looks best. I've got percentage of cases ticked on there and run that. Let's start our interpretation with the chart. Although the trend is in the same direction, clearly the blue bar is much higher than for these non-snorers than it is for the snorers, so perhaps there is a relationship in the data. The chi-squared value is quite high and higher than the critical value, which would be about 3.8. Significance level is below 0.05. The phi, since this is a 2x2 analysis, is 0.2, which is a small correlation. It can be helpful to get row or column percentages to help interpret. So let's get crosstabs, go into cells and ask for row percentages. Run that and go down to the crosstabs table, and we see here that of those who snore, 75% of smokers, but of those who don't snore, 91% are smokers. Alternatively, we could have done it like this. Cells, go for the column percentages, and what you'll find is that one usually makes a bit more sense or intuitive sense than the other one. Here I've got totals running down this way. Of the non-smokers, 70% are non-smokers. Of the smokers, 40% are non-smokers. Or even better, of the non-smokers, 31% snore. Of the smokers, 60% snore. So there's twice as much likelihood that a smoker is a snorer.